In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset TF2 config. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how to fully reset your TF2 config. By doing the process in this video, everything will be deleted and you will be able to set everything up from default. So to do this, you will have to go to the TF2 folder where it is installed and delete everything inside of the CFG and custom folder. So I recommend exiting the game to get this done. So I'm just going to quit out of the game and showcase how to do this. First, find Team Fortress 2 on Steam, right-click it, go to Manage, and then Browse Local Files. This will bring you to the folder where the game is currently installed on your PC. So it is usually going to be Steam Apps, Common, Team Fortress 2, TF. Inside of the TF folder, you will have CFG and Custom. These are the two folders that are going to be related to the config of the game. If you want to, you can make a backup. You can even rename them to something like old CFG, that way you don't lose them. But if you don't care about keeping them intact and you don't care about backing them up, you can just delete them altogether. So either open each folder and delete everything inside, or just delete the folder straight up like this. Once you delete the CFG and custom folder, you are basically good to go. If you want to ensure that it is going to be reset, right-click on Team Fortress 2, go to Properties, and then type -auto on the launch options. With this done, you can now launch the game, and it is going to automatically tune your settings as if it was the first time that you open up the game. So I'm opening it up on my side monitor at the moment, but now all of the settings will be reset. If you had any custom HUD, they will be lost. If you had changed anything within the options, it is going to be reset, and everything is available for you to manage once more. If this method does not work, then sadly you will have to perform a full reset, but for the most part, everything will be changed when you do it like this. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset TF2 config. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.